Okay, grade 12s, in this video lesson, I want us to go and talk about the arithmetic series. Let's say we've got the sequence such as 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. I'm going to put addition in between because I'm talking about a series now. So we are going to be learning about the arithmetic series. Now, what I want you guys to do right now is to take your calculator and add all the values that you see on this sequence. Find the sum of all these values. How many terms do we have actually here? This is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6, term 7, term 8, and term 9. So I've got 9 terms. I want you guys to add all these 9 terms, starting with the first term up to term number 9. Please press it on your calculator. So you're going to say 1 plus 4, add all these terms, plus 7, plus 10, plus 13, plus 16, plus 19. How much you get? You get 70. So it means that the sum of these 9 terms is 70. The sum of these 9 terms is 70. Now, okay, I want us to make maths interesting. What I want us to do is to find the sum of these 9 terms by making use of a formula. Not adding every term individually, not saying 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10, but I want us to find the sum of these 9 terms by making use of the formula. So, okay, I'm going to say Sn equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So this is the formula that you use to find the sum of an arithmetic series. It's very important to realize that this series is an arithmetic series because the series has got the common difference. If you say 4 minus 1, you get 3. If you say 7 minus 4, you get 3. If you say 10 minus 7, you get 3. So this series is an arithmetic series. And I want us to find the sum of this arithmetic series. And we are looking for the sum of 9 terms. This time around, we are making use of a formula. So we're going to say the sum of 9n is 9. 9, where there is n, I put 9. 2, a is my first term, which is 1. If you look at the series, your first term of the series is 1. N, it's 9. The common difference is 3. So the sum of 9 terms from here now, just press your calculator, find the sum of 9 terms. Which is 117. So the sum of these 9 terms, but something is wrong because I said the sum of these 9 terms should be 70. But here, when I'm using the formula, I'm getting 117. What's wrong? Did I substitute very correctly? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many terms? 1. Oh, guys, these are 7 terms. Sorry. And these are 7 terms. My first term is 1. My second term is 4. Oops. Plus cannot be a term. My third term is 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. As keys, we have got 7 terms, so not 9. It should be 7 here. Where there is n, we put 7. So we are looking for the sum of 7 terms. So you're going to say, okay, 7 over 2, 2, it's 70, yes. The sum of 7 terms, not 9, it's 70. Because you can check, guys, how many terms are there? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you've got 7 terms. And the sum of these 7 terms is 70. We found the answer by making use of a formula. So what is the formula for finding the sum of an arithmetic series? What is the formula for finding the sum of an arithmetic series? Sn equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So you must make use of this formula to find the sum of certain number of terms of an arithmetic series. Another formula that we can use, it is n over 2 a plus l. This one, guys, it is only used if you know the value of the last term. So we're going to say as your n is 7, you are looking for the sum of 7 terms. N is 7, 7 over 2. A, which is your first term, it's 1. L is your last term, it's 19. So now you can find the sum of these 7 terms. Even here, you can press a calculator. 1 plus 19 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. This is 70. So the sum of these 7 terms is 70. So these are the formulas you can use. Let me call this one A, which is, I prefer A. Make sure that you always know this formula, or it is there on your formula sheet. Know that it is used to find the sum of an arithmetic series. Don't use it in geometric series. Only use it when you are dealing with an arithmetic series. This D can remind you for difference. This D for the difference can remind you that we are dealing with arithmetic. So, yes. So now let me give you another problem that you can work with. This one is going to be interesting and is typical exam question. Typical exam question. I'm going to say, let's say our first term, it is 4. Our second term, it is 9. Our third term, it's 14. Okay. Let me put plus to show that it's a series. So let me say 14. Can I increase a 5? 5. Let's say now this series continues up until the last term having the value of 59. So let me say determine the sum of this arithmetic series. I will just say AS. Determine the sum of this arithmetic series. Now, you know, because this is an arithmetic series, and we can prove it that is indeed arithmetic series, because we see that term 2 minus term 1, it's 5. Term 3 minus term 2, it's 5. So this is a series with a difference of 5. So this is indeed an arithmetic series. And we are looking for the sum of this arithmetic series. But okay, you already know the formula actually. You are going to say Sn equals to n over 2. You can go for A plus L. You can use this formula. You can say Sn equals to n over 2 a plus l. You can use this one, which I prefer. Sn equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1 d. I prefer this one because not all the time you will know the value of the last term. This one here, n over 2a plus l, you use it if you know the value of the last term. So not all the time you'll know the value of the last term. So that's why I prefer this one here, the latter. So Sn equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1t is the formula that we are going to use to find the sum of an arithmetic series. Now, when you are looking for the sum, it's very important now to know that to identify that how many, you are looking for the sum of how many terms. Polelong ya gešo ya Sepedi ke re ge o nyaka the sum of an arithmetic series, go botlhokwa gore o tsebe gore na o nyaka the sum ya series ye e leng gore e dira ke di-term tše kae. You must first identify the number of terms. From the first term, your first term is 4. So you must identify that from the first term up until to this last term, how many terms are there? I'm looking for the sum of a series of how many terms. So you must find the number of terms. Okay, so I'm going to say, okay, let us identify which term is the value 59. Let us identify which term is 59. Which term is this value 59? Why? Because if I know which term is 59, let's say suppose this term is term number 15. It means that I will be able to know how many terms are there. I will be able to find how many terms are there from term 1 up until term number 15. So I have to identify which term is the value 59. So, okay, I'm going to say Tn. If I'm looking for the position of the value 59, I'm going to use the general term. I'm going to say Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn equals to a is the first term on the sequence, which is 4. 4 plus n minus 1. What is my g? What is the common difference? 5. Therefore, Tn equals to 4 plus 5n minus 5. You multiply throughout by 5. Therefore, your general term, it's 5n. You are now going to say 4 minus 5, which is 1. So Tn equals to 5n minus 1 is your general term. I can use this general term to identify the position of the value 59. I can be able to know on which term is the value 59. So I'm going to use this general term, Tn equals to 5n minus 1. I'm looking for the position. I'm looking for n. This Tn, I'm going to substitute it with 59. I'm looking for the position of the value 59. I'm going to take negative 1 to the other side. It's going to be 59 plus 1, 60 equals to 5n. Divide both sides by 5. Therefore, n equals to, how much is 60 divided by 5? How much is 60 divided by 5? Say, ooh, this is embarrassing. I don't know how much is 60 divided by 5. But I know that, okay, I see 10, 12, something like 12. 60 divided by 5 should be 12. Yes, n is 12. it means that the value 59 is found on term number 12. So it means that from T1 up to T12, I know how many terms now. There are 12 terms. From the first term, which is 4, up to the last term, which is 59, I have got 12 terms. So I'm looking for the sum of 12 terms. So I'm going to, let me erase and find the sum of these 12 terms. My series is made up of 12 terms. So I'm looking for the sum of 12 terms. I'm going to say S, where there is N, I put 12. N is 12. A is 4. N is 12. T is 5. It's my common difference. The sum of 12 terms equals to, you simply now press your calculator. You press your calculator. You are looking for the sum of 12 terms. What's happening? I have got 6 there. Okay. My sum of 12 terms is 378. Please confirm it. The sum of 12 terms is 378. So hopefully grade 12s, you can be able to calculate the sum of a given series. Okay, so when you are trying to calculate the sum of a given series, it's very important to identify how many terms. You are looking for the sum of how many terms. Okay. I will see you next time. Please keep visiting Academic World by Impartiality L. Make sure that you subscribe, you press notifications so that every time when I post the mathematical videos, you are able to see. Please, guys, I just want to accompany you to your final matric November exam 2025, grade 12. Let us be there together. As they say, iron sharpen iron. I don't know even if I said it well, but God bless you. Let's meet next time. Hopefully you are finding my lessons to be very useful.